What is up? We're back cooking. Monigold Studios. I'm Nolan Monigold. We're making ribs. Want to see? So step one, after you get done defrosting your meat right here, you're gonna want to just kind of take it. It's all defrosted, nice and good. You're gonna notice on one side here you got the silver skin, and you got a good amount of fat working up here. Whereas this side, flip them over a little bit. You'll notice a lot leaner meat over here, a lot less fat. So what we're gonna want to do is flip it that way. Keep that fat in there so it starts to melt a little bit once we get it on the smoker. And this is all gonna get put right here. At this point, what I'm doing is taking these ribs and tossing them inside a little plastic bag here so that we can start getting some seasonings on there. What you're gonna see me adding here is classic McCormick's brown sugar grill seasoning. I was out of my own brown sugar, I typically make my own. Shout out McCormick's. And right here, what you're seeing is some Worcestershire sauce. That's gonna get added on there. We're gonna get some in there and really get the nice moisture going in on the meat, as well as bringing out some of that umami flavor. And then once we get this all massaged in and let it rest for a little bit, we're gonna take it on to the next step. Yeah, get it all packed up. Next step you're going to want to take care of is getting the smoker all ready to go. I've prepped this with some charcoal, and now we're just going to load it up with some hickory bits. We're going to get a little bit of a smoke going on here. Now the thing you want to be really careful about is once you get these chips loaded in here, you're going to want to shut down the sides, because you don't want too much air getting in there. That is what's going to make the smoker really go. Next step, once we got the smoke going, we're going to go ahead and get this ribs all wrapped up. Smoker's starting to go real nicely. That's just what we want right there. Going to get this bad boy all covered up, and then we're good to go in the smoker. You want to treat your ribs like your child's Christmas presents before the holiday season comes around. I'm going to make sure all the labels or anything are off there. Like I got the ass end of my Reynolds wrap here, so I'm getting some of this little fun bits off. But once you have it all set, open up that beautiful smoker. And now this is key. I'm going to take this, place it in here, like so, on the opposite end from where the smoke is. So this smoke is going to pass over top of this meat, and slowly, we're going to get a lot of flavor left in there. Cook it slow and low, as they say. And now we wait. If all is going the way that you expect it to, when you open this up, you'll get a nice waft of smoke, and you'll start to get some of that smoky residue on the outside of that rib packaging. Let it go, slow and low. While you're waiting, about the only thing you can really do is just keep on making sure that there is enough hickory bits on here to keep them going. And every now and again, might need to dive down into the bowels here to get some more charcoal.
Cause what you got, girl, I want, no, I need it, darling, more than ever before, no. And what you got, girl, I want, no, I need it as you're kicking me out of the door.
Now what we have right here is some meat that's good enough to eat. Join us next time on Cooking with Monigold Studios, where we'll make something else.
What you got, girl, I want, no, I need need it, darling,